Choose darker, muted exterior trim colors to cut repainting frequency and lower life cycle costs. For budget-friendly home construction, pick long-life acrylic exterior paints with high pigment load and ultraviolet inhibitors because they retain color and resist chalking longer than basic formulas. Select mid to deep value hues in muted tones since they hide dirt, minor mildew, and touch-up blends without requiring full repaints. Prefer factory-finished trims in polyvinyl chloride or composite materials that arrive fully coated to avoid field painting and reduce maintenance cycles. When painting on site, use a quality stain-blocking primer only where needed and apply 2 thin coats rather than 1 heavy coat to ensure even film thickness and adhesion. Avoid pure white or very light trims near gutters, eaves, and high splash zones because they show staining and require frequent cleaning or repainting. Finally, plan roof, siding, and trim contrast so joints and fastener patterns are less noticeable, which lets small repairs blend without a full redo. Common mistakes include choosing high-contrast pale trims that make staining obvious, which you can fix by selecting a slightly darker or warmer off-white or cream so dirt is less visible. Another error is relying on low-grade field-painted trim rather than factory-finished composite or polyvinyl chloride trims, so specify pre-finished profiles to eliminate annual touch-ups. A third issue is using flat or low-quality paints that fade and chalk quickly, so invest in a long-life acrylic exterior product and follow proper surface prep and drying time recommendations for durable results. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners and contractors around projects like selecting low-maintenance colors and materials. On our site, we link local professionals to jobs and host a discussion community where we share real-world experiences, color choices, and maintenance tips.